Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Turbo C++ in Windows 11 PC. First of all, let's go to our web browser and download the Turbo C++. The link for downloading Turbo C++ is also given in the description. The downloaded file will be a zip file. You need to extract this file to install Turbo C++. I don't like to extract this file here, so I will move this folder to some other folder. This is an optional step, you don't need to do. So extract the file here. So you will get a folder, open the folder, and in that setup.exe, double click on setup.exe to install the file. Click on next and accept this, then next, install. Now it is installed successfully. So let's check whether it is installed or not. For this, let's search Turbo C++. Yeah, it's here. Open this and here click on start Turbo C++. We don't need these files, so let's remove these files first. Now create a new file. Save it. Let's write hello with an extension of CPP, which means C++. Here click on OK. Now our new file is created. Here we are going to write our first CPP code. Let's begin with our usual Hello World program. Also, don't forget to add getCH function, otherwise we won't get the output display. Now let's compile this. Oh, it has some error. It is because we didn't add conio.h as the header file. Also add this getCH function before return 0. Now let's recompile this program by clicking on Ctrl F9. Too many hello world are printed here. This is because we didn't add clear screen, that is CLR function here. So we should add this clear function just after in the main. Now you can see the hello world is printed only once. Our next task is to quit from this Turbo CPP software. For that, click on F10, which will select the menus. And from there, go left, click on File, go last, quit, or you can directly press Alt X. If your file is not saved, then click on Yes, it will save the file. And that's all in this video. Hope you enjoyed well. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And see you in the next video.